This home behind me is a 70s time capsule. We're meeting up with Derek and the Ross Brothers team to see how they're bringing this home into an entertainer's modern paradise. So come with me and let's go inside.
Hey Adam, how are you?
Hey Derek, good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Thanks for having me here
Come on
again.
in.
Yeah, absolutely. Good to see you. This is definitely a 70s time capsule.
Absolutely, but let me tell you, what a beautiful house.
Oh, it's amazing.
Lots of potential. We're gonna open the entire place up. We're gonna give it a complete facelift. This wall, this entire structure, we're gonna open up and make a kitchen slash billiards slash hangout room. Over here, we're gonna have a formal dining room. And then in here, we're gonna have a living room area. And we're gonna actually cut this whole entire wall back here to here. So there's gonna be a lot of free flow space. It's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah, just looking at this space, I mean, the previous owners, they really took care of it, but with all of this woodwork and reclaimed wood and just the element as far as what this home has to offer, and I can't wait to see what it's going to be transformed into.
Unfortunately, you weren't here when the furniture was here, and it was really a pirate ship. Yeah. We even had a roped up area. It was crazy, and all of this stuff actually comes from a real ship, which is pretty neat. It hurt me a little bit to take all this wood off the wall because it's beautiful, but in order to have the finished look that we wanted to have, unfortunately that had to go, but we did leave the open rafters, and that gives it a nice touch.
Absolutely. Well, paint the picture. Like, what is this going to turn into?
This is going to be the dining room area over here. Obviously, we're going to get rid of this raised floor, all of the wood. These beams are coming out. It's going to be a white walls. It's going to be beautiful beige furniture, something very chic, a place to chill out and relax, a nice dining room table. This is more the hangout area, like relax area, and then there is more the entertainment space. And this is all going to be one big space. So that wall, as you can see, is coming down. We already demoed out the entire kitchen. We took off the shiplap that was here. And watch yourself when you step over. But all of this is coming out as well. And then we're gonna cut that corner right there. And this is just gonna be an amazing open space.
I can envision it, just thinking about it. Beautiful cabinets, cooking space, amazing, I assume, big island.
Huge island, beautiful billiard table, 70-inch TV, place to have a bite to eat or play some cards. Okay. A great entertainment space.
Cabana, I assume?
Cabana slash bathroom. Now
Awesome.
we're removing all the wallpaper. We're demoing everything out. This is gonna be one seamless bathroom. It's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna put a beautiful trough sink here. We're actually gonna cut this corner out and frame it in so it's no longer like that, and it's gonna be really nice. This is gonna
so this is coming out, this new shower, new toilet, new everything.
This is out. We're figuring out, hopefully, that we can move the plumbing over to that wall. We could bump it out because we want it to be one seamless bathroom from start to finish. Let me take you to the master.
I know it's not staying like this, so tell me, what's the transition?
It's going to be amazing. Everything's coming out. We're taking out the mirrors. We're reconfiguring the entire bathroom suite and the closet suite. We're building a one-of-a-kind TV stand, all made out of quartz. It's going to have a fireplace in it. That's going to be the centerpiece of the room. And in the ceiling, we're actually going to put LED lighting strips throughout, so the whole ceiling is going to glow. It's going to be really nice.
That's amazing. So when we go into the bath,
so it'll be basically here, you'll have a barn door that will open up. Okay. And immediately after you move in here, you'll actually be kind of here and pivoting into what is the closet. Okay. And behind here will be the jacuzzi tub and the shower, and the vanity will be over here. It's going to be really, really nice.
So bathroom that side, and then obviously
the closet's
walk-in
here.
Closet right
and we're
here.
actually taking out half of this wall, which is the old laundry room, because we're making the closet a little bit bigger. We wanted to make sure we had enough room to be a real master.
It's going to be a big master bathroom.
It's going to be beautiful. One of the things I love about this house is the size of the rooms.
They're big,
You don't find rooms like this. I mean, I go into houses all the time and the rooms are so small. This room is actually quite nice.
Yeah, even when you look at newer homes today, they're smaller than this.
Yeah, this is definitely not the norm, and I really like it. This is one of the more interesting houses we found. I love this house. I'd buy it for myself. It's fantastic.
It's absolutely beautiful. What's really cool is that this goes right out to the atrium, so it's very private. It's like its own suite.
All right, so basically we're just going to renovate this entire room.
Okay.
We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to rip out these mirrors. We're going to rip out the closets. We're going to put new closets, new walls, new paint, new floor, and then we're going to do a bathroom that they're going to share right over here. And I was actually just looking at it. My original design called for one sink, but now that I'm thinking about it, I think I'm going to suggest two sinks.
Absolutely.
Since he has two children, they could have one bank for the one kid and one bank for the other kid. I think it would look nice. But it's not a bad sized bathroom, but it'll be totally renovated and modernized. It's gonna look absolutely fantastic.
No, it's going to be amazing, and 2 sinks is a great idea. You have plenty of room for it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And of course, we're gonna do the doors throughout and beautiful floors. This place is gonna look amazing.
Yeah, no, I can't wait to see. Derek, so in today's real estate market, I mean, obviously the person that's doing all the work, they recently purchased this, they walk into a home like this could be intimidating.
Definitely.
Right.
And I would say that probably 95% of the people that walked into this house probably walked out.
Right.
When I came in here, I wasn't repulsed or like, wow, this is terrible. I was excited because I knew that if we took out these beams, it would make the ceiling look a lot higher. Obviously, taking out this floor will make the place seem higher. Cutting this corner here, we're gonna give us almost a 20 foot opening. It's gonna be an amazing space from where we come into the kitchen, billiard, entertainment area over here. It's all gonna flow into one room. It's gonna be really nice.
What it was and what it's going to be, you won't recognize the home.
We took this project from nothing
Right.
and turned it into everything.
Right.
So, it's a labor of love. We love what we do. We're emotionally connected to the job. It takes a lot of thought process to take a house like this and figure out how you're gonna use it, but it has to be functional. It's not all about beauty. It's gotta work for the family, whoever's gonna live here. And that's one of the things that we definitely concentrate on.
This project is amazing as is. Can't wait to see all of this opened up, starting, obviously put in all the different finishes and things like that you're gonna be doing to transform this place.
I guarantee you this will be one of the gems of the gems. This will be award-winning, this design. I'm really excited to see it come to life.
Awesome. Well, thank you again. Derek, always a pleasure.
Thank you,
Thanks for
Adam.
having us here
Appreciate
on
it.
site. And for all of you, make sure you stay tuned for the next episode to see the next point of transformation.